Today we're exploring 6 innovative fencing ideas that can elevate the look of your modern home. Whether you're looking for style, privacy, or functionality, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1 is horizontal slat fencing. This contemporary design offers a clean, minimalist look that complements modern architecture. It's perfect for creating a stylish boundary while maintaining an open feel. Number 2, a living fence. Using shrubs or climbing plants, you can create a natural barrier that enhances your landscape. Living fences provide privacy while adding beauty and greenery to your property. Number 3 is mixed materials. Combining wood, metal, and even glass can create a unique, eye-catching fence. This approach allows you to customize your design to match your home's aesthetic. Number 4, modular fencing. It is perfect for those who love flexibility. These panels can be rearranged or adjusted to fit your needs, allowing you to create various looks and configurations as your landscape changes. Number 5 is transparent fencing. Consider transparent fencing for a modern touch. Materials like acrylic or tempered glass offer unobstructed views while maintaining a secure boundary. This option is great for maximizing natural light in your yard. Number 6, smart fencing. Smart fencing solutions are on the rise. From integrated security cameras to automatic gates, these high-tech features enhance safety and convenience, making your fence a part of your smart home. There you have it. These innovative fencing ideas can transform your modern home while providing functionality and style. Should you need any professional help, you can contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. See you next time.